In today's automotive landscape, safety features are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it essential for consumers to consider advanced technology when purchasing a vehicle. As we explore some of the cars with the most advanced safety features designed to prevent accidents and injuries, it's important to understand how these innovations work together to enhance driver and passenger safety. Leading the pack is the Tesla Model 3, renowned for its autopilot system, which includes advanced features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control that help maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. The vehicle's 360-degree cameras provide a comprehensive view, enhancing situational awareness. Another standout is the Volvo XC90, which has earned high safety ratings thanks to its collision avoidance system that detects pedestrians and cyclists, automatically applying the brakes if necessary. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident in its use of a robust safety cage and multiple airbags throughout the cabin. The Subaru Outback is also noteworthy for its EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes features like pre-collision braking and adaptive cruise control. This system uses stereo cameras to monitor traffic conditions, helping to reduce the risk of collisions. Additionally, the Outback's all-wheel drive capability enhances stability in adverse weather conditions, making it a great choice for safety-conscious drivers. Moving on, the Honda Accord impresses with its Honda Sensing Suite, which includes a collision mitigation braking system and road departure mitigation. These technologies work together to detect potential hazards and assist the driver in avoiding them, providing an extra layer of protection. The Accord's Lane Watch feature is another innovation that enhances visibility, allowing drivers to see adjacent lanes when making turns. The BMW 5 Series is another contender in the advanced safety feature arena, featuring a suite of driver assistance technologies that include active blind spot detection and a rear-view camera. The car also offers automatic emergency braking, which can detect potential collisions and initiate braking when necessary. BMW's Parking Assistant simplifies the parking process, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class takes luxury and safety to new heights with its Drive Pilot system, which combines adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist for a more autonomous driving experience. The E-Class also features a pre-safe system that anticipates collisions and prepares the vehicle by adjusting the seats and closing windows to protect occupants. For families, the Toyota Highlander stands out with its Safety Sense suite, which includes pre-collision systems, dynamic radar cruise control, and lane departure alerts. The Highlander's rear cross-traffic alert is particularly beneficial for navigating parking lots, helping drivers avoid potential accidents when backing out. Finally, the Audi Q5 deserves a mention for its advanced safety features, including Audi's PreSense system, which monitors the surrounding area and can activate safety measures in the event of an impending collision. The Q5 also features adaptive cruise control that can adjust speed in response to traffic conditions, enhancing both safety and convenience. As we evaluate these vehicles, it's clear that the automotive industry is committed to integrating cutting-edge technology to enhance safety. Features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warnings, and adaptive cruise control are now standard in many new cars, reflecting a shift towards a more proactive approach to accident prevention. When choosing a vehicle, it's essential to prioritize safety and consider models equipped with these advanced features. Ultimately, investing in a car with top-notch safety technology not only protects you and your passengers, but also contributes to making our roads safer for everyone. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative safety features in the future, further reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. Please like, share, and subscribe.